When me tea owo no na late Sunday evening. We say kromo no mti bon krofo wuto abre omu ye.
Yeah.
Sabe ya papa de lu bob de bia da. Even much the kasa kra ye ni bi da. And not for why na waji di okromo a ye mo na wuto. So I thought say was one of those gimmicks what I said. So I just slept off my mua asem no.
And then the brofo na be mo.
Afa me we na message say ba no. Afa da no odin. Afa kuku dam panimfa kasa.
That's right.
And I send a message to Kwame. Madam free as okọ. Kiki na menya Kofinti. A voice bi oba bi tie ya. Kofi confirm say ono de ne kwa Ayaresabea. Na oni nyanya na the two kwan call Central Region. Eso mko yesu na de kosie ne kosie. E ho ansa na media de say ampa Kofi bi ko. Na asem ni nyina ne say eso nyame ne de ma. Ono nso na oje. Na oni ba bi wa krampo ense se o che owiase bebre. Nyame nso hye no no. That's a bit more now watch and more corner be a papa be away and you know. Whenever Baba Pano. Ayarigated into your Mabusia and Ghana in Ashadin. And can the music fraternity. What you say? High life dear. Not a good year. We moon Nancy, we moon could be a new account. And a common Nancy from say my high life. And when you say or him Pomwa a program to them too quiet. Or Henia, there's a high life than a comaso. I want to start with Coffee B and then Coffee and Tofiaka. As a Omumra, Omumay program, Mamma. That's who me and one couple of say, Makuma, many of them call hospital. Now, me bread. Almost a chrome almost a denim chromo papa. It don't call 2 canoe, who may be all fakra.
A coffee,
what may be on them? To show you a busano. It's a Quabacuno who young said no. Let's not quick be on why you're like a movie. From Ayarigated. Coffee is a superstar gun will be any to Dr. Jadu in other share. Now, so work out there and qua. Into me.
It's be 3 a.m. Muhono.
Saturday will be out then I will run from now. I mean, you're on any was a browser
battling with death.
The Biamika I did your whoop, and him said you would, yes. Yeah, I can't do one come okay. We can only insinuate.
And then they brought from me, not that.
What couple of our money that you are the other.
Shout out to Galanza.
We can only anticipate. You better not say, and you would done. Yeah, and no name. Forget yourself for number 2 moves on and you know, Obi come back. I'm a count some. Obi say me who 3 days for the bois. Or the body fancy, you won't say Yanni. And you go feel them referred to you only.
That's right.
Now, Ghana force so I told the be Obitiasia, then I do for Obitiasia and Munyambia and Fanchano and Chairman and Kwanso. Your opponents this year. Everybody is treating Coffee B. Everybody is talking about Coffee B. DJ for Jenny see the same pass. Oh, Mamma, I do my phone home. Oh, you're ready for. But I do my phone come. There get to see a morning.
Oh, say,
by na bo.
Oh, by a ball. You're born the drive.
No,
you're born the drive.
Let me say something. Even before we interview, no, which I have it on my phone.
That's right.
It's on YouTube.
Yeah.
Papa Base, for example, this year I'm going for them, and you 3 times 4 times. So somewhat.
Okay, 2019.
Last year.
Why you also that whole 2019?
Last year. Drive is about mid morning.
Exactly.
On your friend, breaking, he was here.
Yeah.
It's a number from the area from Mudia. But you could have done more for Coffee B.
I know the Okasami no yadri.
So when I mean I cannot say. Can you know able to more ama Coffee B. But Coffee Kwa, yeah, come here and this year today. Yamaya, yeah, Pobudi, and here. Let me get out here.
Are they Ususa said not a Pomode who some a camp?
I never feel corner except because I didn't want to put the answer.
Yeah, not the way I will see Canada, Mobia, a Pomode who
now one because last time I caught check up your.
Oh, this year, Mum, the
whole of this year we are in February. What's on check up?
3 days into February.
And check up that
3 days into February.
And no make one say me.
And then once I Miss Maker said 3 days into February.
That's about base for your production kakra. No acquire Sabia kakra.
Sir. And
Papa
believe don't come with that conversation. Or the different conversation. No, they didn't know answer. Like, that's why you started the conversation from
what you say?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, of course, it's very necessary.
But when you be a you to be so maybe a no. So let me come out here. And I
assure you,
when your doctor, I'm back to my say, dear cook of you being a doctor for the baby
autopsy. Normally, autopsy.
Normally,
autopsy for now, yeah.
But who follow stories in the year? What you say? Something was wrong somewhere.
And the doctor's corona report. We will know what actually happened.
Then we Fred, many I don't have from a tear phone, and ɛne adom afadwumafo nyinaa ɛma na busua yakɔ
let
ɛma wɔgye ɔmo akyire Kofi were very fantastic children but akokora de ya to ne din taboro alaji one ya to ne din na me hobi
oh sir
yeah
it was a memorable time
oh very fantastic children na nkopon mwa ya so heka kyire no de betimi bia no ya so ye be post kaka atu so no kakra bia betimi ya boa bia no ya de
dabi yen konkɔ boa busua yen kɔ boa na okay afia release sa anwumre
wait any days
bobi tsabe
we appear to
ni nyina ya solid
wa mo nya that no crepa Kofi bi nyum bia no wa nya de unless you bia on pe high life ati papa ana ya hwe ye di Kofi bi sa na de beti enti onyankopon fa na kra
okay and Moro Ibrahim says Kofi bi rest in peace catch say why that Kwame you are saying it is and it is very bad and sad. And rest in peace, Kofi B. Or Dobroni, I can say, yeah. And Nyamiche Steven says, oh, Kofi B, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Rest in peace, Millicent Anaman. Asai Richard on the Sunkwana Osu. Asai Richard and so rest in peace. Sunkwan Osu. Agnes Dodo says, I'm late. Yeah, okay, oh, you're late, so joining a program. And Mary says, Kofi, rest in peace. Nana Kojo Boja says, Kofi B, rest in peace. Where is Openi? And maybe so.
I was as a folk we need sana kotoko anya wina onantara no nemo ye ni du enti no nduru ha no
I was at his Croydon UK just last December 26th and I love you so much may his soul rest in peace champion can say Dan Kokoku says oh may his soul rest in peace Missouri and Mary may also so Eddie Free Eddie Bay also Eddie the condolence ata na and we ebisa I don't know yata Kofi B somebody just asking watching live from Tema C3 rest in peace legend Nanana Yaukwachi and so Ediabe it is very heartbreaking Ekuya Montana Obed Ekon says rest in peace Kofi B Kofi Poku Odikro says oh my namesake rest in perfect messages now band $600 billion but as time goes on we'll be reading them but Senya Ochre say Yesumpa
him I know what kind of bro for saying
Boame. So na ye vmate.
That's in a real school.
Oh na ye vmate.
About this boy. Yes, so a guy. But what here for Manchester man.
Yes, so ye jai
him.
Yes, so ye jai him. You kind of saying e wo brofum.
And I make
that's all by there now so I graduate.
Me dem real school check. Me pato
your telephone line is working now. Okay, the conversation e kwaso na momo yen.
Yes, so a guy. Yes, so
you him you kind of saying ewo brofum 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 Monfrey na Montreal brofo is say ya obfuscate kakra
my yasa me kai if you no pa na me dwen ho a
Yesu kra ye jai him hello good afternoon
Black Eye
me pa cho Yesu kra ye jai him you kind of saying wa brofum
yo you from great you have me kasa pitema
okay
Yesu cry when you are crying you stop and
Akem
Yesu cry
what's a catchy couple of words catchy
when we are crying we stop and eating
we stop and eat I'm ready to be 302 216 561 216 562 about your coding
so
okay just hello good afternoon Oh, quite unfortunate. Yes, Sam. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, you cry, you jai him. You can't say what, bro. Okay. Stop crying and clean your nose.
Yes. No.
I find this idea. Now, I
they say yes, you cry, no. Now, don't stop crying and
clean your nose.
And one. Black
yes.
Na Kofi amu ya league no so airport.
Charlie, we pick here last one. The last one. Why? Hello, Ketri.
Hello.
Me patrol di be bia.
Hello.
Yeah, your friend say o ka say free.
Hello?
Hello, you're from sir. Okay, sir, free here. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah.
You're from
Eric.
Yeah. Okay, sir, free here.
The Pacific Council.
Yes, you cry, you jai him. Okay, Obaka the sell, bro.
Oh, we cry, we stop. Oh, finish.
We cry, we stop.
Send us starting the year, but
we cry, we stop. Oh, finish.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon.
Black Eye.
Yes, I was Pacha Wine.
Broccoli.
Broccoli, yes, you cry, you jai him. You what can I say?
Whilst crying, we stop and sneeze.
Whilst crying, we stop and sneeze.
About as soon as sneezing, and as soon as oh him sneezing and Wednesday, and yes.
Last one, okay, all right. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
About pay from say.
I just from because I'm crying.
You, Oba can say, "Ewa brofu."
I'm crying. We stop and sneeze.
When we are crying, we stop and sneeze.
Mama just sneeze and Wednesday, and
hey.
Him is different from Wednesday.
Okay, yo, yeah, that's it, why? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. And
then come
now, what would you
crying has and briefing end. We so
now, why wouldn't you not say it from one? As one more, I was now say correct.
Na me di o madwin.
Okay.
Black card, dem kan ni nyina na sim de say sneezing and him.
All right, and yeah, Titi Salmon says, I miss crying. We pause to blow our nose.
That is perfect.
We don't say obey teachers students.
I miss crying. We pause to blow our nose.
Yes. Okay, and Sandy Kwabena Jollof. Jose,
Bema Sandy.
When you are crying, you take a commercial break to blow your nose.
A commercial break. Intermediary.
Francis Dimo says, if we keep crying, we will sneeze and ask for tontum. Oh, let me tell you. And Abel Asante says, if you cry plenty, you stop and sneeze wild with plantain leaves. Hey.
Honestly, I don't know.
Really?
Black guy.
Okay.
A man for Antias and I say for Jibabi Obia. Menton Kreman and send team Kumasa.
Is it because any team lose
one lose or ball draw? I know near on one said any ball bono or Cosono.
Okay.
Why are they crying draw? Been a Kotoko aye.
Okay.
Who say Kotoko house of folk are near Brie pa. If the fans them penny 40 as I said, so much yes I could boy almost didn't kugua a behadrin. Now penny 40 you say you're a crowd of folk and you win. Auntie where they say, Yang Yatimu cry yako. And the and also who asem. I don't know.
As a sastra, or the Vimpan are the
and I saw team we need ya. It is as it is now the results are why in you. I didn't start share back comedy and to me auntie. But Chevy enter share me, you know, and I become Chelsea share back home. As Santa Kotoko or share back and a Liberty so a share back until I draw. And I feel Dreams FC one Chevy and a Accra Hearts of Oak a share back home until 1-0. What about
the back?
And I feel Olympics and so one Chevy
sports presenter
a share in the back home. Santi Gold, a share back home. Bushia drafts, Anthony Adabraka. It is cost when the PMO a year consider no, I was now. Black Eye this weekend, no near see and be inside that year. I yet a quite so answer sono, car because some are so tria, and you put no more sense at once and now, or man can't a J.
Hefa, tell my
motorway
stretch, yeah.
Very, very bad. Yes, I want to lose back tie. The back tie a pie. Now, although the can is a Hunsacano. I said football, a cover na ball pine, not cover na balls at 3 times. They are a friend of somersault, no? Say somersault.
Yeah, a budichi.
A budichi. This weekend, the Anima answer them could you cry. It's yesterday. Say, Obiata for womb when it comes to accident. Passing a dear womb, driver dear womb, DVLA for dear womb, Obia dear womb crack. A fair near Safinasi. As I just say, an air coy and I buy. The best say, Benifo, and moi. Na Kwanso Jojo no esonjo na obi anya kwan eni atrantie entu na kwan komra moni bia enso da ensi na sesi ano kofi niama no ankofo bebre na tro obi a kire na dwen na srega na bloggers omunya abotre right up bia ro benya ni kofi bi obi amfa pressure enkotro ensem bia hu hia just because of the clicks.
Yeah,
the stories they are writing, these pictures they are sharing, is going to be there for the rest of your life. The internet will they forget. internet ni wura fi ade nti obi for clicks nti obi control stories bi a enim asade ko fi start to church niam bi omo yema na ehu
okay ade omo ya ama na ehu se
se me kan na se me bomb omo na spread it will not even go there at all nti ko fi kwaku no so hu asem no
ye frame kwasi
black eye kwaku kwasi apia ni buku ya waye wonya bi akenkan
fire
kwasi apia
former
Black Stars coach, yeah.
Okay.
Or say book the title can ben me or say leaders don't have to yell. And I want to bro.
Impeni who here say impeni betia
tiem ba omanum. Sana title net here. Na e moon no dey say be two just say we so dey come by on dey call Brazil. Dia ba ya na pam no. Or the say na nye posi nya ntachi ahoden. Empanifo na wo soro no. And the children say, "Hey, you are quite free ho." It's not your worst World Cup I call here, and I Brazil no. You the 1 point to pay and a buy. So 1 point to your sound a car to 3
okay.
I want your source car a good aeroplane a fee Ghana. So tournament mountain to the Muntari about to a decline.
Sir, and yes, our tournament today after no minister be soon, you know.
What you say?
Okay.
If I home my sports minister no, you're free ho. No see a year no, yam pamano, you didn't cost so one penny as yet. Na mom on the coach no kwaya no e dey here sabrofu ya go to ka ho e bibi goat one goat university boame say you use obi is it one goat scapegoat also you dey na scapegoat say ono ya pam no na say akira kata na obi a nche ho asem enti buku ne say bia say ko bi kan na ken kan ensem e wo ko
that's right
this ensem we too dwa
sure where we are no
wo bi afasa so
where we me twam keke na wadwen ho last week say okay basketball player bia Kobe Bryant on ne ba ono na ne di ne friend saying
Kobe Bryant
ntina ne initials ni K D I B and this week so and on Sunday superstar bi so Ghana wa free musician ono so ne di no
and so Kofi
eti obi Ghana ebi tibo mu
and why would kebi wanyu mu oti keka
just say I'm say we a musician bi na so di ni kebi mu a pray hard and I start bi na kebi e ma eti Ghana hwam no
kebi for the doors
kebi bi
Kevin boy yeah boy Kevin boy Yankopon krampa mu Kevin boy ono London crack obosu
that's all
Yankopon be boy aka no ban what you say oko Southampton
okay
na sane aka no
hefa
London
Southampton and
asane aka no Southampton I na okwa kobosu Kevin wo dia wo nkọ wate wo KB so nkọ ba bia
amen
na opani asem ni nyina ne se obi abewu die na so wo ni bi wa ya na ya
na Ghana for boa with English Ruby Ajiman says scapegoat scapegoat and Ruby Ajiman says sacrificial lamb
and also it means the same thing
and obi su bisa say and he is a journalist
Kofi B
no obi su bisa
scapegoat na me nim no ka tam say ya mo mfa ne mas I am mfa ne mas serious da so scapegoat me na me kan na obi da kan me twa so nya me na me kan ma de ahwehwa nimu ayen ka brofo
de ne awu
ayen ka brofo twi ne ya kan wa na ne ma na ya kan so ya brofo ne da akotwi mo
sa ni nyina de okay ni nyina ya brofo ba o kan wo twi ni nyina ya brofo dabi na ya check be da
kan fon so tiri so bitia on te brofo pra anya possible
ba ya kra na wo say de na ya hu mo no because o kind of brofo no kan wo twi
so do de wodi na na wo kan
ampa o
do de wodi na na wo kan no de ya ma brofo na di kotwi nti atie fo ya mu nya botre man wa mu tia ne wo Papa, na say so dey apiem ba ko yase hwefe bi airbus ati ho agam
airbus to boss na bi mo
and say yase nkofo bi omoton planes aba ton planes e ma Africa for Malaysia for na so omtu adamudie bebre e ma mpanifo ansa na mo yom business
I say keta se shebi akoso bribe
na report no o kan ya me kan bi no o ya mo say official 1 we paid this to official 1 official 2 but we are me by officials ni years at PAP 2020 Chrome have had
na eduane ebu atobenkuma na nifa
sani atie nie adu we de nya Ghana ha ne free
oh okay
UK court
okay
and atena so am ya fine ko for over 3 something billion
okay
mu tua fine na say wonni fa ye tua fine me bo
ampa o wa munyina so wa Ghana ha o mu tua
da bi fine no ye company no
okay
and you say you hwehwe mu no en na yi adwumadi obedi wa Africa ne Malaysia no anko yi na ye say mpanimfo bi ehun bon mu
that's right
na nado so why na dey say dey no bibia wo de ba ono ne coffee we pono da ma special kwasipita
wine
kwasipita onim no
wow
Matiamidu
wow
e fa special
obade the station ID
Jim FM
aso hey
special kwasipita no
wow
enti osi kwasipita me fa asem no
okay
na wonko hwehwe mu na aban da no ani aban fufuro yi de ne ho bom mu bia no
bia e be ni din be piem bia
ta fa ne mra edi na sati pie na me mpasa me bobi sesei e fi o chere ko no e be pie ai edi ya sati pie na black eye woni mi problem kromo ase corruption koso anase ma ya yehunu foreign company bi ma ya hwehwe mu a yehunu adentia why is it like
that? Auditor General's Department and other investigative bodies.
People are stealing our
private investigative bodies.
People are stealing money, but we will not see until NDC will come. When NDC left to MPP was able to show us those people who were chopping the money. And the Chromas can also obey dia oni nwe ya ye no. I just a systems no entwa ye.
Okay.
Wait, asem way ya top player that do. Military player top ye. Appropriate today and the start on passing.
That's right.
It's in UK foi.
And the one be near and can
kwa no be near say obian ya otisem na ho.
They do yo.
Ya te ho saa.
They do yo.
Enti ano so ho asem kakra. Ewo ho. Ano no.
Okay.
Black and na sample for je be obi ano metia no.
Saa.
A metia na che ne say kotoko antimi anwini. House of folk there wa wini. Na ya bass no so and say
what is the very latest?
They say wa atim what be mean kire ho na bayifo e de awo akogu bass nim. Ni makohwa di mani krotwai.
Na anye bia no Brandon na ekoso.
Akakari awie Brandon no.
Last week na say akaka.
The next home match no, the players are going to sit in the bus to the stadium and play.
Wow.
I can assure all House of Folk supporters say our next match House of Folk is not going to travel with that coffin.
That's right.
We are going to travel with our new bus.
That's right.
Well branded.
That's right.
Na ya konso a yantim fa bus ne nkonko di nkugo da yankopon pagu na koto konfan fra
ade bus ye de bobo
hwe woni emane e be hu sa bus da yi hu a ka on ka sa sem ya okay me sa na me ko stadium me twa picture o bus ne corner bia
I tell you
every corner of the bus
I tell you yes obi say
nya me nkonko na me ko me ne gas na me manyina
I tell you
ya ko park
I swear
ni akodina bus ne twa picture it is na sample for jama me want see me oh bus
oh yeah no mo dia waso ayeshi wo ho
bus bia say House of Folk bus dey ntide say esa na ko for twa picture am treat
ba ko bia no mo piam wo main road so na wo twa U10 say very appalling pa
na the other bus ben say o bus o can say that o bus no cry say ben say o turn about no etimi say enko so oboda
it was a bus they say Brandon Muguso pa
oh kakra bi na ma wie
okay
they are only putting finishing touches
yo
some of ne
afa
yo mama for we twam asa na mekọ amako
NSC Shiraba say oba de more of him
na vim ni e wo ho woni wo say chairman Sabosu
majority leader
oye my schoolmate oye my classmate too
okay
but oye my schoolmate
okay can say there is
school was St. Peter's Secondary School the best school in the whole of Ghana
okay
in Kwatia Kwawu
okay
yeah school they didn't know and just a crack academy out class robert odoko kanes odoko da bi
blow
who go school
blow
I mean what they do
me go agree with Boria
how cry I academy they dem ko what class robert pure water ice yanim de enyu anka wo ya pa ni nyina gu
make sata wo science lab ma wo combine ke
say chairman Samuel so many course school na manfo amani din asa oye Mugabe na black na wo guy name wo school na wo guy name
near friend me Blackus
now we are Blackus
Blackus
we school na we kus ni fro o de I be say wo school na for Blackus why too much o ya wo nya kokoda
baby me use wa me nya kokoda
ya proclaim enti
o say majority leader say
o say chairman Sabosu ana manfo be so mutu ni din Mugabe obi a ya pa o Mugabe ana o se o mpe Mugabe no
pe de yi
edi Mugabe John friend Mugabe no since 1997 o ye MP obi antu ni da
97 and 2000
1997 yes
na che say oni ET men samu na call
he's the only surviving fourth republic member of parliament as of now. When in Yako, some pictures no coin, no so count. And when you saw Domino. Well,
I thought it was 2000.
1990, since 1997.
Wow.
Mr. Mensambosu has been the member of parliament for Swami constituency since 1997.
Papanacho. Achepa.
Now, I'm going to tell you that Mugabe Cherry and what? Normally, Eddie Mugabe in Mamma. I was one penny.
Okay.
Who's your old school? No, your mom guy name one. Their own parent cherry.
I know that cherry. Campiko.
What? Because I'm one friend say, you're not saying friend.
You're a one pen.
Yeah,
no, baby, would
it was around one Pemogabi. No, then on some money deep pass on when you're some money dean dia. I'm man a dean for on one case state dean be or bepe. And yeah, say on my friend. Our friend Mugabe. It's answer we Mugabe have a someone or a treaty. Where you Luma crown, whatever I know what that crown was still our uncle. Don't say on Mugabe on pet. Okay. Now, I'm money dean for fraud. Okay. Now, on for enter parliament. It's more beer and friend of Mugabe. Mr. Mo, schoolmate is on Mugabe. To members of parliament, Monsha, and I will be a friend of such a
catch. Say, what I know is, Kwame, you can brago. Nana say will surely get you.
I saw John McCain. Or Pedin John McCain, crank up. And I say Kennedy. Sir, I said to him, I was on money Kennedy and John McCain up. Wow. As I said, these are people who fight for democracy. I don't know, so you'll be or your democracy, our word too. And you know, some Pedin the Amanwa.
Sir, oh, sir, I say, well, we'll be a person contesting on our pay, sir, or more paper, Nibia, or more registration with Nibia. I'm seeing so on national. I am a few.
I don't think this time Kobasan could be.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I'm not very sure, but
I'm very sure.
Because 97 to 9.
When you're very sure. Share.
That's all for me.
Yeah, for the way.
Sir.
My
boy Charles or Kwana.
All right. No, have my update.
Yeah, we say, oh, yeah, you may hear now when you do anything here. If it's working well in your watcher, and one no.
Yeah.
Like because we are ready on your neck. We are the engine of those who are ready. We are the uncle. If you want back, it's all your money more. I know who I no. Men fast as me so the last one me chat to say men fa are children a mark of be a busua. Sir. Ne ma. Na busua titru. And some they be ba. But sungu. That's right. Now report out Dr. Mom. They should only rely on that. Be a dada and a bear say young for Chile, bois is a anytime wasting keke. Yeah. Almost shedding. Ghana phone now so and shedding. I'm a child gated at phone can Ayarigated WhatsApp group for no. Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group phone na the church omu na mo na mo ba ha me di 1 year anniversary no. I can't mention all the names.
That's right.
The church omu na especially church here for Wabuche. Charity Ben and Mrs. Tower Kellen Texas. Also the near I just say will be ajiman. I don't know yes.
Say Texas.
It be Texas. So Busu ani Wabuche o ka Texas. Wo Busu ani ko Wabuche da no. Wo ka Texas. Okay. Maybe Mrs. Tower. It's been needing come cut Texas. It's been so cut Texas. Kellen Texas.
Okay. Sure. Okay, I say 2008.
Yeah.
Kofi B.
Yeah.
Any Castro boy you me.
Yes, I am not sending here.
Yes. Na and then
they said then some from you na ubo yo. Cause Castro ma yo.
Oh, but Vim so beba.
No Vim made them Vim so asa. Me side o. Me
because Ghana according to the laws of this country is unless we wait till 2021, which is next year, before we can pronounce Castro.
Hey, to Castro or how can they come you Jimu Obama Quine? Kid hey!
Oh, Castro
under fire.
Castro beba.
Come you say be away you.
Oh, Castro beba.
Castro is somebody not consistent. There was no single year Castro did not release the song.
Or call for sabbatical leave.
And I watch holidays no. Laka, me the best year. Now what the
account. Matthias, and you're looking good too.
Thank you.
You're looking good.
You're looking good. Bright weird. My mother Saturday they said them there.
And you don't want straight up. On chain bro.
Church we no pen Matthias no.
Sir.
Me nyata the man fan. They mean that Benjamin plane crash.
Yankwa Humano Sona Yani Mubarak share the traffic situation in the capital. Hello Mubarak.
Hello Black Eye me eye.
Na bibia bako de.
Boko Black Eye.
Na say what chini Yankra kodwe mu a wadru he na traffic situation it say.
Black Eye ba be pie mu e wo odoko edikoko pie mu e wo Malam Junction na na tie ni omo mu free e odoko edikoko pie mu e wo Malam Junction. E free e odoko Busia Junction. Traffic no etemu sa de koko pie mu e wo Ozana Ministries after that na esi ho no ho and a traffic na time wa just a hot and black eye ano di papa na mum every aya Sacramento traffic light no ho ediko piem Malam market de kwan ne demu obetimi atia so yi pa eno jo hot and ano di yi pa na mum amuso mu free aya gbawe eba be piem akwakosia ko ye kaneshi ene ne patem nso so over under bridge na sia overpass na sia so traffic no asesha one just am join kaneshi traffic no asesha overpass na sia no so de no black eye ano di yi pa na sia ko Malam Junction, that's a can traffic, but you are doing a bit much from Akakofa St. Anthony Pepe School, no, who did Namwa, Holungulungu, or from Wabako Pimo, or Sakaman Shell Filling Station, or like a Upimo Sakaman Shell Filling Station, or over join Air Sakaman Road, not just what you not one hour call, and into black eye. Omokoya Malam Junction, Kaswine and Patam, I'm one channel to say, or don't go Bucha Road near traffic, I said, I'm already a parent, they are made the man just walk our hobby boy, and it's black eye. And yet, the between Papa Bells double the action, Musum, Medawase, Pepe.
Mubarak, yeah, come on.